Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I want to find out how much bigger is area of a circle versus a square if they both have the same parameter. The reason for this is because in older days when you saved the king's daughter, the king would let you have the land that you can walk around in one day. So if you're walking in a square shape, you're actually getting less than if you're walking in a circle shape. And today I want to find out how much is the difference. So without further ado, let's find out. Okay, so let's do this. So in case of a square, and then we also gonna have a circle with the same parameter. Parameter in case of a circle is c for circumference, and then this parameter let's say it's for a in case one side is a. We might need that, we might not need that, I don't know. And then so the let's say area. So the area of the square is going to be a squared, and so the question is, how big is this area? Because I told you it's bigger because I think it's bigger, but let's find out right now. So area of circle is actually pi times r squared, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so now we got the formulas. Now we can easily find out what the difference is of the areas. So let's do it like this. So now, because we have the same parameter, aka circumference, so we can actually put it here. So 4a is the total parameter, so let's put it here. 4a equals 2 pi r. So this is what we're gonna need. And so now we can actually, let's see, we can work out, let's express the r. Let's express the r. Actually, yes. So 2 pi r equals 4a. We can actually divide it by 2, so that disappears and this one becomes 2a. I'm just gonna say 2a. Okay, let's continue. So now r equals 2a divided by pi. Okay, so now we look back here. We're looking for this. We already know that the area of a square is a squared, or 1. Let's call it 1 unit because we want to see whether this is bigger or smaller. So if we go back here, so r, let's see, what am I doing? So a, yes, we need this a. So a equals pr squared, not pi, I mean pi r squared. So this squared, so 2a divided by pi, so all this thing squared. So this is going to be our area of the circle. So now it's very easy. So let's open the, I don't know, are they called parentheses? I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. So now if we square up this, so that's going to be 4a squared divided by pi squared. But we can actually, because this pi goes on top here, so we can actually stripe that out and then stripe the square sign out as well, which leaves us with, okay, I'll write it under here, leaves us with 4a squared divided by pi. But now if we go up here, remember the area of this was a squared, and so now if we accept that this equals 1 unit, so that means the 1 in this formula can disappear. So that means we already have the answer. The area of the circle equals 4 divided by pi, in comparison to the area of a square. So if this is 100%, then the area of the square is going to be this, 4 divided by pi. If you take a calculator, I think it's about 1.27, which means it's about 127%. So now we can clearly see that the area of the circle is going to be about 27% bigger than the area of a square if the parameter is the same. And so now we know, if a king ever lets you take the land that you can walk around in one day, rather than walking in a square shape, walk in a circle shape, because you're gonna get extra 27%, you know, rather than having, let's say, if you walk 10 times 10 kilometers times 10 times 10, that would give you 100 square kilometers of land. But if you walk in a circle, even if you're walking still the same 20 kilometers, you will actually now have 127 square kilometers. So that's extra 27 square kilometers. That's a lot of land. Like, some countries are not even that big. So yes, now you know what to do in case ever this happens to you. And thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.